Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change voice and sound navigation settings in Google Maps. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Google Maps, then click on your profile icon on the top right, then select settings near the bottom. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you come to navigation settings, and then you can just change the sound and voice settings on here. So you'll have the voice to be either muted, alerts only, or you can select unmuted. You can also change the guidance volume to softer, normal, or louder. Then you can change the voice selection as well. So you can go through the different languages and also the different accents as well. So you can select whichever one you want on there. And then you can also play test sound near the bottom of the page.
Your destination will be on the right.
So you can obviously just pick whichever one you prefer on there. You can also toggle off play voice over Bluetooth. Obviously toggle it back on. You've also got the option to play voice during phone calls, or you can obviously turn that off as well. And you also have play audio cues, so you can turn that on and off. So that's how you can change your sound and voice navigation settings on Google Maps. Thanks for watching.